Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi Weeks, which is my work planner. And this week I will be decorating with either the picnic stickers or the hot air balloon stickers from According to Ali, or maybe both, we'll see. But this is going to be a very short plan with me because this is a very short week for me. I'm off on the Monday and Thursday, Friday. So I'm literally all working Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my pen from On a Whim Woodworks and write in the days of the week. The reason I have such a short week is because Monday is Victoria Day here in Canada. So we Canadians have the day off. And then the company that I work for is also giving extra PTO days. They're called unplugged days. And because I already don't work Fridays, my unplugged day has been moved to the Thursday. So I have Monday and Thursday and Friday off. So I'm only working these 2 days, although I do have to come in for one meeting on the Thursday. Not that you needed to know all of that detail, but I thought I'd tell you anyway. So I also want to use, let's see, Ali has these alcohol ink stickers, or these, and I feel like there's one more. I think she has black alcohol ink, which I don't think will work well in this instance. I think probably the blue because it looks most like the sky, or just some new stickers came in from Ali as well, which were, those aren't it. They were, let's see. Oh, I like these, the black and white quotes, or the cool quotes. She has quite a few of these. Or body positivity. Actually, these are all really good. I'll take those ones out. And she has blue alcohol ink, pool party, lemon sprigs. These are some of the new ones that I got from her shop. The blue alcohol ink might be too blue, so let's put that to the side. Okay, so these would work really well as well. So let's take the alcohol ink here and place that down. And right here, I'm just reading the quote at the bottom. It says, I realized I wanted to photograph time. You can't see time and you can't touch it. That's why I think it's the furthest thing from our five senses. But with photography, I can capture time. Interesting. These aren't really ever quotes that I've heard before, but I like that we can now, with the English version of the weeks, can now actually get what they were saying. Okay, so I'm going to put down here a very small charcuterie board. Actually, I feel like that's too big for this picture. Instead, what if I do maybe just maybe I put the charcuterie board up here with a bird and a couple of grapes, maybe. Ugh. Just like that. There we go. And then I really like this hot air balloon. Pretty. And actually, I kind of want to put this purple one down here as well. And then I'm gonna take one of these quotes, one day at a time. I really like that. And then I think I'm gonna put the I can and I will up here. I like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and write in my meetings. And there's my overall spread for the week. Really fun, colorful, and happy, and very summery because the weather right now is fantastic. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. So these stickers are available on According to Ali's site, and you can use code Karina10 for 10% off. And the sticker albums that I was flipping through are also from According to Ali, and you can still use my code Karina10 for those as well. Once again, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and have yourselves a great day.